Okay, you're like you're bouncing on one of
You're
those
gonna
things.
jump and put your leg
You ready?
Ready? When you're ready.
I'm ready.
You videotaping? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
You guys jumped out of a tree.
I thought I was like stuck in there for a second. I was like in there with leaves all around me. I'm like.
Oh, that did not work.
How long did it take me to get out? It felt like a whole minute.
Holy shit, that did not work as good as that. Oh.
You okay, honey?
No.
No, that hurt my back.
That hurt my butt.
We went right to the bottom. Alright, leaves should not be used as pillows. Oh.
I told you you should put a mattress under it.
Oh.
I think we went too far out, bud.
Huh?
I think we went too
No,
far.
we didn't. Those leaves didn't catch us.
Oh, God.
Oh, shit.
Don't do that at home.